Good morning, students. Welcome back to online learning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. We have discussed some input and output devices in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss some more input and output devices. This is your last class of chapter first, that is input and output devices. Firstly, we are going to discuss what is a mouse. A mouse is an input device. It is also called a pointing device. You can select any object from the computer screen by the mouse. So, it is used to give input to the computer system. Mouse is a small pointing device with 2 or 3 buttons on its top. It is used for selecting and opening the object in the computer. It is also used while drawing pictures on the computer. So, an input device operates by rolling its ball across a flat surface, and functions used to control the on-screen pointer by pointing and clicking, double clicking or dragging objects on the screen. So, here you can see the image of mouse. Left click to move cursor or select an object, right click to open context sensitive menus. One wheel is there to scroll up or down the page or menu, and one cable is there connects to USB port on a computer. Now, next, what is a scanner? An input device that scans or reads the image as a series of dots and introduces the information into the computer's memory. So, we can say that a scanner is a eyes of the computer system which sees or image and interprets them into the computer. Now, next, what is OMR? Optical mark recognition. It is the process of capturing human marked data from document forms such as surveys and tests. OMR software is a computer software application that makes OMR possible on the desktop computer by using an image scanner to process surveys, tests, attendance sheets, checklists and other plain papers forms printed on a laser printer. OMR is generally distinguished from optical character recognition by the fact that a complicated pattern recognition engine is not required. So, OMR is a process of capturing of human made data from documents forms such as tests and surveys. Now, next, MICR stands for magnetic ink character recognition. What is the use of MICR? MICR technique used mainly in banks because magnetic ink characters are difficult to forge. MICR code is usually a 9-digit code comprising of some important information about the transaction and the bank. Here you can see the image of one check, you can see the MICR code, 9-digit code. Now next, joystick. Joystick is commonly used for playing computer games. What is the use of joystick? For playing computer games. It is fixed on the table and it has a stick. It's just like a stick. The center that can be tilted in any direction. Got it? So the stick is held by hand and when it is tilted in any direction, the movement is translated into the movement of an object on the screen. The buttons are used to perform actions such as firing guns and lasers. Got it? So it is also a pointing device. It can be moved at various angles to change the directions of the cursor or any other objects on the screen. Now next, OCR, optical character recognition, is the mechanical or electronic conversion of images of typewriter or printed text into machine encoded text. मतलब it converts handwritten and typed text into machine encoded text. Now next, trackball. A trackball is a pointing device with a balls on its top or side. Here you can see the image of trackball. The on-screen pointer is moved by the trackball with a thumb or a finger. Most trackballs features 2 buttons, although 3 buttons models are also available. Trackballs are used frequently with the laptop computers. This device is quite similar to a mouse and can be used at any places instead of buttons. It has a ball on its tops. The ball is rolled with the finger to move the pointer on the screen. Now next, what is a light pen? A light pen is a pointing device shaped like a pen which contains that sensors and is connected to a visual display unit. Video is also called monitor screen. So what is the use of light pen? It is also a pointing device. It can also be used at place of a mouse for choosing a menu option, making drawing and graphics. Light pen is mainly used by architects, engineers and designers. Now next, barcode reader. Barcode reader is also a type of scanner which is used to scan barcode and also called UPC, Universal Product Code, available on the various product. This barcode contains information about the product like name of the product, company, manufacturing date and expire date. So what is the use of barcode reader? It is a device that can read barcode. After reading the barcode, send the information to the computer about that product. Now these are called some input devices what we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss some output devices. What is a printer? A printer is an output device that produces text and graphics on a physical medium such as paper. Okay. So the printer prints the output on a paper. The printed outputs are called hard copy, while On the monitor screen, whatever you will see, it is called soft copy. Okay. सो प्रिंटर हमें क्या प्रोवाइड करवाता है? हार्ड कॉपी। और जो हम मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं वो क्या कहलाती है? सॉफ्ट कॉपी। गॉट इट? देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ प्रिंटर्स, इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर्स एंड नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर्स। सो examples of impact printer like Decivil, dot matrix, and examples of non-impact printers are inkjet, thermal and laser printer. So we are going to discuss firstly dot matrix printer. So it prints the image and text in a form of tiny dots. The printer can prints only in black and white. Dot matrix printer is slow and less expensive. Next, inkjet printer. It works by spraying little droplets of ink on a paper. Its printouts are fast and of high qualities. Inkjet printer can print in black and white as well as on color also. Now next, laser printer. It uses laser beams to prints. This can prints in color as well as black and white also. Laser printer is very fast and give high quality prints. Now next output device is, what is plotter? A plotter is an output device that is used to produce high quality graphics in a variety of colors. Got it? So there are commonly two types of plotters, drum plotters and flatbed plotters. Plotters are used by engineer and architects. So firstly a drum plotter. A drum plotter is known as roller plotter and flat plotter is also known as table plotter. Now next, what is CPU? CPU refers to central processing unit. It is a brain of the computer system. It processes the data given by the user. This data get converted into valuable information through processing. It works out data as command and stores the results. CPU controls and regulates all the function of a computer. It is also known as brain of the computer system. So it has three units: control unit, arithmetic and logic unit and memory unit. Here you can see the block diagram of computer. Now I am going to teach you about how CPU works. So firstly, computer takes input from the input devices like keyboard or mouse. CPU process it. Who will process it? CPU. CPU process it by arithmetic and logic unit, control unit and memory unit. These are the main three components of CPU by which CPU process the input. And where you can see the output? On the monitor screen. So output devices like monitor or printer. Got it? So we can say that computer works on IPO cycle. Okay? That means input process output cycle. Okay? This is your last class of chapter first. I will discuss about next chapter in the next video. Thank you.